Have you ever sat in your favorite chair, rubbing your aching joints, or woken up in the middle of the night with a burning chest or painful cramp? What if I told you that something as simple as a glass of water with a pinch of baking soda might hold the key to easing 7 common health problems many seniors silently suffer through? This isn't about fads or magic pills. It's about giving your body something it already understands: balance. And when you drink it the right way, the changes you feel can be surprising. Let me show you how it works. Item 1. Acid reflux and heartburn relief. As we age, many of us become familiar with the uncomfortable burn of acid reflux or heartburn. That sudden fiery sensation rising up from the stomach can ruin an otherwise peaceful day or night. For seniors, this problem is especially common because our digestive systems slow down, and the valve between the stomach and esophagus weakens with time, allowing acid to creep upwards. Here's the good news. Baking soda water, when used correctly, acts as a natural antacid that can provide quick and effective relief. Why? Baking soda is chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes stomach acid on contact. It's like giving your stomach a gentle reset button to calm the burning and discomfort. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into about 4 to 6 ounces of water and stir until dissolved. Drink this slowly, preferably when heartburn strikes, or right after meals if you are prone to reflux. This small amount is usually enough to neutralize excess acid without upsetting your body's natural balance. While baking soda water can be a quick fix, it's important not to overuse it. Too much sodium bicarbonate can cause your body to produce more acid later, leading to a rebound effect, or it can disturb your electrolyte balance. Also, if you have high blood pressure or kidney problems, check with your doctor before using baking soda regularly. If heartburn becomes frequent or severe, or if you notice symptoms like difficulty swallowing or weight loss, baking soda is not a cure-all. You should see a healthcare professional, but for occasional discomfort, it can be a gentle, affordable, and natural way to calm your stomach. Additional tips for heartburn relief. Avoid lying down immediately after eating. Eat smaller, more frequent meals rather than large, heavy ones. Limit spicy, fatty, or acidic foods that trigger your symptoms. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Incorporating this simple baking soda water remedy can ease your discomfort and help you enjoy meals and rest again without fear of that burning sensation. Item 2. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. For many seniors, urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are an unwelcome and painful reality. The sudden burning sensation, frequent urges to urinate, and discomfort can disrupt your daily life and drain your energy. While antibiotics are often needed to fight the infection, there are natural ways to ease symptoms and support your body during recovery, and baking soda water can be one of them. Baking soda makes your urine less acidic by increasing its alkalinity. This shift in pH can help soothe the burning sensation during urination and make the environment less friendly to bacteria causing the infection. By drinking a glass of water mixed with a small amount of baking soda, you can ease discomfort and possibly speed up symptom relief. Mix about half a teaspoon of baking soda into 8 ounces of water and drink slowly. It's best to do this a couple of times a day while symptoms persist, but only for short periods. This isn't a treatment for infection itself, but a way to help your body feel better while you seek medical care. Because baking soda affects your body's acid-base balance, overuse can be risky, especially for seniors with kidney problems or high blood pressure. It's vital to consult your doctor before regularly using baking soda water for UTIs. Also, never replace prescribed antibiotics with this remedy. It's a support, not a cure. When to see a doctor. If you notice signs of a UTI, such as strong-smelling urine, blood in urine, fever, or chills, it's crucial to get medical attention, quickly. Untreated infections can spread and cause serious kidney issues, which are harder to treat in older adults. Additional tips to prevent UTIs. Drink plenty of fluids daily to flush bacteria from your system. Practice good hygiene and wipe front to back. Avoid irritating feminine products or harsh soaps. Urinate soon after intercourse if applicable. Wear breathable cotton underwear and loose clothing. By gently alkalizing your urine with baking soda, water, you may find some relief from burning and urgency, but always use this method thoughtfully and in partnership with your healthcare provider. Item 3. Gout and joint pain. If you've ever experienced sudden, intense pain and swelling in your joints, especially your big toe, you might be familiar with gout. It's a type of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in your joints, and it can be particularly challenging for seniors. These painful flare-ups can limit your mobility and affect your quality of life. The good news is that baking soda water might help ease these symptoms by supporting your body in reducing uric acid levels. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it helps neutralize acid in your blood. Since gout results from uric acid crystals, making your body slightly more alkaline can encourage these crystals to dissolve or prevent new ones from forming. Drinking baking soda water regularly can be a helpful, natural way to support this balance. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in 4 to 6 ounces of water and drink it once or twice daily. It's important to space these doses throughout the day and avoid taking it on an empty stomach to prevent any digestive discomfort. While baking soda water can assist in managing uric acid, it's not a stand-alone cure. Seniors should continue prescribed medications and make dietary changes, such as reducing red meat, shellfish, and sugary drinks. Common triggers for gout attacks. Because baking soda contains sodium, too much can raise your blood pressure or affect kidney function, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Always consult your healthcare provider before adding baking soda water regularly to your routine. Stay well hydrated to help flush uric acid from your system. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce joint stress. Incorporate gentle, low-impact exercise like walking or swimming. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants to reduce inflammation. Avoid alcohol and foods high in purines. By adding baking soda water thoughtfully to your routine, you may find relief from painful gout attacks and enjoy improved joint comfort, helping you stay active and independent longer. Item 4. Kidney health and detox support. Many seniors are interested in natural ways to support their kidneys and overall detoxification. While baking soda water is sometimes touted for these benefits, it's important to approach this carefully, especially if you have kidney disease or high blood pressure. Why baking soda water might seem helpful for kidneys. Baking soda can neutralize acid in the body, and some believe this helps reduce the burden on kidneys by balancing blood acidity. In healthy individuals, small amounts of baking soda water might provide a gentle alkalizing effect, which some think supports kidney function. Why seniors with kidney problems should avoid regular use. For seniors diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, CKD, regular or high-dose baking soda water intake can be risky. It may disrupt your body's delicate balance of electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, and bicarbonate, which your kidneys work hard to regulate. This imbalance can worsen kidney function and even increase blood pressure, putting you at risk for serious complications. Fluid retention and swelling due to sodium overload, increased strain on the heart and kidneys, dangerous electrolyte imbalances that may cause weakness, irregular heartbeat, or confusion. If you have any kidney condition, high blood pressure, or heart issues, always consult your healthcare provider before trying baking soda water. They can assess your individual risk and recommend safe alternatives to support kidney health. Stay well hydrated with plain water throughout the day. Follow a balanced diet low in sodium and processed foods. Manage blood pressure and blood sugar levels carefully. Avoid overuse of pain medications that can harm kidneys. Regularly monitor kidney function through medical checkups. While baking soda water might seem like a simple detox aid, it is not suitable for everyone, especially seniors with kidney disease. Avoid self-medicating with baking soda and always seek professional advice. Your kidneys deserve the gentlest, safest care possible. If you're ready to take gentle, proven steps toward feeling stronger and healthier every day, please subscribe and join our caring community. Like this video if you find these tips helpful and share your experiences or questions in the comments. I'm here to support you on your journey.